Keyless convenience. Operate your smart lock by smartphone or code input via built-in illuminated keypad. No more carrying around clunky keys or worrying about losing them. Smart sharing and management. Create customized temporary access rights to your door for friends, family, or B&B guests. Share them within seconds through our Reagle app. Easily manage multiple Reagle locks from your smartphone. Apple HomeKit Certified. Remotely check the status of your lock, open and close it, or have Siri do it. Get notified when your loved ones have returned home. Peace of mind. Receive notifications on your phone if the lock's batteries are running low. Have Reagle relock your door automatically after a set time interval. Easy DIY installation and setup. Installs in 15 miles.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,